You're going to love the 2004 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport. This four-door, five-passenger wagon provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front fog lights, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.